of this engine.
Hey there, I'm Trent Dykes, and today at J-Tech I'll be teaching you how to perform a compression test on this Hyundai motor.
First, you're gonna disconnect your coil and then remove the spark plug.
How to perform it.
Yeah, how to perform a bike.
Okay, alright.
And the reason why we're doing this is we want to know how healthy the car is.
Everything aside.
Okay, alright. If we have a low reading,
And
then
then
we may have an internal problem.
You'll take out your spark
I
plug.
got it.
Sure? Can I finish?
Let me finish.
Alright. Normal vacuum is
17 to 21.
17 or 21 inches of mercury. That's what we're hoping to find. The way we do this now, we're going to tap into a vacuum source, which is going to come from the intake manifold. So I have one right here for you, and this is how we hook it up. And then my associate, my classmate, will crank the car up for us.
So here's the tester. It comes with a male-to-male fitting. This side threads into the spark plug hole.
Low vacuum on acceleration.
And this end, it's just a simple male air fitting, and it connects to the female part of the gauge.
You know, y'all really make my man feel bad when he comes and asks you, and y'all be like,
Alright, and make sure, you also gotta make sure that your fuel pump relay is removed for this test so it does not turn over by the crank. And I'm about to get the compression running.
2,
Clear.
3, everybody got it.
Clear. Okay. Alright, so on the compression it is about 155, 160, and that's like, I really like to find out if it's good for the car or not. You would have to like look up the specs for this motor, but we're gonna try one more time to see if we get a constant reading. Clear. And we are getting a constant reading, and when we compare this reading to manufacturer specs, we'll see if we have a problem or not.